Welcome to this my YouTube channel. My name is Badagin Badagi, and this is Mass Mastering Academy. I'm very happy to have you here today. Thank you very much. Let's look at what we discussed today. We're looking at calculus, and we are given a question to find the derivative of y, which is equal to 3x squared plus 2y minus 1. This is a calculus question that is under the derivative. But in calculus, we have differentiation and integration. But this question is under differentiation. And they say you should find the derivative of y equals to 3x squared plus 2x minus 1. How do we solve this kind of question? Let's look at the solution. You know that the question they gave us was y equals to what? 3x squared plus 2x minus 1. For us to find the derivative is simply divided by the x. That is general term we use for the derivative. This is what we go to get by divided by the x. We say dy over the x equals to, based on this formula that I use here, if we are going to see this is power of 2, it's going to power of 3 and 4, it's power of 2. So the 2, we use this 2 now, the power to multiply this function, which is equal to the 2 times this function, which is 3x. Then we still have the 2 on top of the x, on top of the function rather, which is multiplied to subtract 1 from the power. Then we come to this one plus 2x. Why I put 2x here is that you know that this x is going to power of divisible 1. 1 times 2 is equal as 2. So 2 times x is equal as 2x. Now, you know that we have a divisible 1 on top of this x based on law of indices. Then we are subtracting 1 from the power. Because this x has an divisible 1, so we subtract 1 from the power. So we are going to left with 1 minus 1 rather. Then we come to this is minus 1. This is a constant. We call it constant in calculus. So because we don't have anything attached to x, so we call it this becomes what? 0. Because we don't have anything to like, we don't have a constant, we don't have a terms rather, this is x, so we make it 0 because we don't have a terms attached to it. Therefore, our divide by the x, our divide by the x becomes what? Equals to 2 times 3 is what? 6. 2 times 3 is 6. If we have our x here, right? This is this x. Then 2 minus 1 is 1. We need to raise the power of 1 and same as that number, which is the same as our x here. Then we come to plus. This plus here. We have 2x, 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is what? 0. And this x is raised to the power of 0. Based on law of indices, anything raised to the power of 0 is what? Is 1. So we are going to have this one 2 here, and this is raised to the power of 0, x is raised to the power of 0. So based on the law of indices, it becomes what? 1. Because this x is raised to the power of 0, it becomes 1. So minus 1. So our divide by the x, is going to equal to what? 6x plus 2. Because 2 times 1 is 2. I know that 2 minus 0 is the same thing as 2. So this is our final answer of this question that was given us. Now let's look at another example before we close. Let's look at another example. Let us stop at another example. Just take note of this. It's very important. Take note of this. Let's look at another example of how to find the derivative of the function and how to use them. Because we have different forms that the default equation is calculated, that we need to know particular things using for solving. Now, let's look at example 2. They say you should find y over the x if our y is equal to bracket x squared minus 1. Bracket x squared minus 1, sorry, bracket x cubed plus 1. How do we find our derivative in this point? First, we're able to find our derivative, we need to take note of this. This is a function. X squared minus 1 is a function on this one. And x cubed plus 1 is a function on this one also. So they multiply themselves. So because of this is we use product rule. Because these two functions, when two functions multiply, or one and two functions multiply themselves, we apply what they call product rule. And the problem is giving us the y over the x equals to u times the v over the x plus v times the u over the x. This is the formula we use when finding a product, when finding a function that multiplies itself. We call it product in calculus. This function y over the x equals to u times v over the x plus v times the u over the x. It is called a product rule in calculus. So we're going to use this function, this formula now to solve this question. You know that this question we have y equals to bracket what? Bracket x squared minus 1 times bracket x cubed plus 1. Now, at this point, we say let u, we assume say let u becomes this first function. Let u equals to bracket x squared plus 1. That is minus 1, sorry, this is minus 1, rather, this function. Then b equals to this other function, this is a bracket x cubed plus 1. Now, also find the derivative of each of them. You need to find the derivative of each of them. The derivative of u, that is the du over the x. Why I put this as du over the x? Because I derive the function u with respect to x. Because this is the only terms we have in this function, which is x. So our du over the x, we know that this is based on the first function we use, the first one we use for power, and we use the power to multiply the function and subtract 1 from the power. We're going to apply it to this case also. You know that I have s squared minus 1, right? So we're going to differentiate this one by this thing. S squared, use 2 now, become 2 times the function, which is x squared, right? We subtract 1 from the power minus 1. Then we come to this one. You say minus 1 is a constant, you don't have anything attached to x, right? Not attached to, there's no x, not attached instead with x. So because of that, you see this is minus 0. Because it's a constant. Now, therefore, our du over the x is equal to what? 2 minus, become 2x here, right? You know that 2 minus 1 is 1. And anything raised to the power of 1 is the same thing as that thing, based on the law of physics. So our du over the x is 2x. Now let's find our b, now the derivative of our b, which is take note of this. Our b now is going to be dv over the x. Why do you say dv over the x? Because I derive the function b with respect to x. Because this is the only thing we have in this function of b. So we're going to have, know that we have s cubed, right? Based on the formula, we say that you use the power to multiply the function and subtract 1 from the power. So now we have 3, which is the power, and multiply by this function of s cubed. So we're going to have 3 times s cubed, right? Then we subtract 1 from the power, which is minus 1. Now, this is plus 1. 1 is a constant because we don't have x attached to it, so we can't divide it. So it becomes what? Plus 0. Then it becomes plus 0 now. Now, at this case, now we have equal to our dv over the x becomes equal to what? 3 times x is what? 3x. Then 3 minus 1 is what? 3 minus 1 is 2. So we have 2 here. Say plus 0, 0 is already 0, right? So our dv over the x becomes 3x squared, right? Now we are getting our parameter, which is du over the x, and we are getting dv over the x. Now we substitute into the formula of product, which is this formula. Substitute into this formula. So take note of it. Now, once we want to substitute into this formula, let's look at it now. How to substitute inside this formula? Take note of this formula, it's very important. Now, what we're going to substitute, you know that our product was given by dy over the x equals to u times dv over the x plus b times du over the x, right? Now, you know that our u, assume that our u equals to what? S squared minus 1. So we put our u is equal to what? S squared minus 1. Then our division over the x, our division over the x is here, 3x squared, 3x squared, so times 3x squared, because this is the v over the x, right? Then 2 plus, our v is what? Our v is what? S cubed plus 1. This is s cubed plus 1. Then our du over the s is what? 2x. Don't forget that. 2x. Now, at this point now, you need to expand them. S squared times 3x squared, going to give us what? Going to give us 3x. This is 2. This is 2. In a lot of places, where two terms that have the same base, we find yourself the power is being added. So 2 plus 2 will give us 4. Don't forget it, it's very important. Now, this has finished. Minus 1 times 3x squared will give us minus 3x squared, right? We are through with this function. We come to this one, plus, right? This plus here, this sign. Then s cubed times 2x. You know that this is in the form of x and this is in the form of x. This s has an invisible one based on law of indices. So when you have the same base to prepare yourself, their power will be added. So we will have 2x, 3 plus 1 will give us 4. Don't forget this. Then we come to this one plus this plus here. 1 times 2x is going to give us what? 2x. It's going to give us 2x. Now, at this point, we check that the power that are the same, we add them together. We have 3x raised to the power of 4 here. We also have 2 raised to the power of we have plus 2 in the same power of 4. Then here we have minus 3x squared, right? Plus this 2x here. Don't forget this. 3x raised to the power of 4 plus 2x raised to the power of 4 is going to give us what? 6 raised to the power of 4. Sorry, it's not 6 rather, it's 5. Sorry for that. Just a brief short mistake. We're going to give us 3 plus 2 is what? It's 5. Then in the same power, which is x to the power of 4, right? Then minus 3x squared, this 3x squared here, plus 2x. That means, therefore, our dy over dx is equal to this, and this is the final answer. And this is called product rule in calculus. This is the final answer. Thank you very much. If you have not subscribed to the channel, I will beg of you that you should subscribe to the channel. It's very good that you subscribe to the channel. This is Math Mastering Academy, and here we are here to study together and to get the best out of our study. Thank you very much. My name is Still again, I really appreciate the fact that you are here. Please help us share this video, like it, and also let your colleagues know about the channel. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. God bless you all. Thank you.